everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today I'm going to share a very interesting and fun drink to beat the heat. This is a very special and popular drink. We're going to make this nice and spicy Fuljar soda. Let's get started and check it out. I have all the ingredients for the Fuljar soda here. The first step is to soak the basil or the Sabja seeds. To a small bowl, add 1 teaspoon of the basil seeds. Pour a little water. You can see they instantly plump up by absorbing all that water. Keep this aside. So next I'm going to make this spicy mint chutney. For this I've taken a nice handful of fresh mint leaves. So you can take it with the stalk. Next add 4 green chilies chopped, a large piece of ginger chopped and 1 teaspoon of salt. First I'm going to grind it all without adding any water. Now I'm just going to add a little water, just about a teaspoon. The spicy mint chutney is ready. Keep this aside. Let's assemble the shot for the Fuljar soda. First squeeze a little bit of lemon juice. Next I'm adding a small teaspoon of the masala paste. Add a couple of teaspoons of the soaked basil, that is the Sabja seeds. I've just added about 4 small teaspoons, but you can adjust it according to your taste. So next I'm going to top it off with some sugar syrup. This is a concentrated sugar syrup. So you can prepare this ahead of time and keep it aside. Now that we've added all the elements to the shot glass, just give it all a nice good mix. Open a bottle of nice chilled soda and pour it into a nice tall glass. Gently drop in the shot glass with the mix and see the magic unfold. So you can see the mixture slowly coming out from the shot glass. You can drink it immediately or you can just make sure that everything comes out and then give it a quick mix and enjoy this beautiful and very refreshing Fuljar soda. The moment of truth. Well, here it goes. Wow! Wow, it's just perfect amount of spice, the lemon flavor and of course the soda, mild, very mild sweetness. Well, I really enjoyed making this Fuljar soda. I hope you guys have fun making it and enjoy it. Do share it with your family and friends and have a cool summer. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.